Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to be putting this vibrant resonator on my 1.8T. Been running a straight pipe for a couple years and I'm pretty tired of the raspy noise, so I'm gonna give it a shot. We're gonna weld in this vibrant resonator and see how it sounds. But before I do that, I wanna give you guys a chance to hear what the car sounds like completely straight piped. So I'm gonna get this welded onto the car and then we're gonna see how that sounds. Alright, so the resonator is installed. Here's what it sounds like. So there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video and it can help you make a decision on what you're gonna do with your exhaust. If you haven't seen, I have a couple other exhaust videos for Mark IV Jettas. You can check them out in the link below. Other than that, have a good one and hope to see you another time.